show them the benefit and kill their objection. Welcome back to our channel where we discuss about the secret of digital marketing and how to be successful in this field. Today we are going to discuss the most important topic of our digital marketing, which is copywriting, the backbone of digital marketing. I am Supriyo, and in this video I am going to discuss everything you need to know to create a copy that convert. So first we will discuss about what is copywriting, the basics. So copywriting is an art to pursue or inform, engage your audience. In simple word, as an offline store, you have an salesman where he informs the customer about the product, offers, and same and online. Your copywriting do the same as a it acts as a salesman in your store, online store, on your website, on your any platform. Storytelling is a powerful tool of copywriting. It allows you to connect with your audience on an emotional level and make your message more memorable. I would like to inform you that the title of this video, the title of the video and the description of the videos are also a part of copywriting. One example that will increase your interest towards copywriting. I got an example that a simple letter can change a sales page conversion by 10%. What was that? There was a product a company was selling, and the headline of it was there was two sales page, one for man, one for woman. For the sales page of men, the headline was "Bring sex in your life," and for the woman, the sales page headline was "Bring love in your life." The copywriter had make a change that for the man, they change the bring to brings, add only a s, and the final headline is brings sex in your life. And same for the woman, the headline has become brings love in your life. After doing this, the sales page started converting at 30%. At first time it was converting at 20%. So it shows that how important copywriting is. Before start doing copywriting, you have to do some research. First, talk to your potential customer who may be your customer when you will come up with the offer, with the product. So talk to them and ask them what all the details, what they're interested in, what problem they are facing, what outcome they want from that product, what result they want to get after using your product. Second, make a ideal customer avatar. It will help you to understand your potential customer age group, they're interested, where they spend most of their time, and just write a sales copy or any ad copy for one person. That this is the person. If that person come to their sales page, that person will definitely buy. Don't think about other. If that one person buy, there is thousand lakhs of person like him who would like to buy. So write the sales page for that one person, and in the headline we should show them the benefit and kill their objection. As an example, if we are going to some fat person and we are telling that lose weight, lose the 5 kilo weight within 1 month without without leaving your favorite food. So we are showing them their benefit and killing their objection that they can continue eating their favorite food. These are some research you have to do before writing, even touching your copy. So now what do you do when you will start writing your sales copy or ad copy? First, write your goals, that what you want to do. Sorry, what you want the customer do when they will come to that page. It may be go to attend your webinar, buy your product, join your Facebook group, any other group, download any app, and think as the person will be thinking. So if we think that in this page they must know about you, but they are not, they would not be interested in you. They would be interested in the product. How will it help them to get better result for them, to get better lifestyle, to get a quicker result without less effort. So think as a customer. And in the sales page, you have to kill all the objections that are coming in their mind and highlight the benefit. So these are some points that will help you to do better copywriting. Now some quick tips. Don't write if you will buy today. Write when you will buy today. If you write if, there is a question comes that they will should I buy or not. And if you write when, it will make a more positive. And if you are selling through call or any other direct communication, then don't ask you will buy or not. Ask how will you buy. You will pay through Paytm, phone pay. If you ask will you buy or not, there will uh, a chance of getting a negative answer from them. And when you are asking how will you buy, then the answer will be always in positive mode. And maybe any other, they will talk to any other, they will refer any platform they use. And the importance of headline, keep remember the importance. We read the headline 80%, and for one problem keep one solution. Your audience, your customer will always think that when they were in this sales page or sales copy or ad copy, they will ask that what is there for me. Let's summarize. One page, one hero. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep learning and implementing.